Watch your people. Long water.
Mr. Soup Boil boy, you see?
Yeah.
I've never so thick so yet.
You see a vocabulary with all them big words they are use, you need to break them up in syllables.
New meat kind we never test, you know, so.
Oh, your vocabulary is small.
Your vocabulary belly small. See lick ya? When you lick ya go sir?
This requires
Rasta.
general Rasta feel today.
Rasta, you cook shrimp. Rasta say you don't know them.
What's the crayfish? If you favor Rasta.
Lobster.
Which lobster?
Yes,
Cockroach.
This? The way you can come from. If you
You
feel...
don't favor cockroach?
Look,
Yeah.
The
Favor cockroach, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They mean for what? So you can't pop off a tail in Rasta?
You drop the sitting them yourself.
Rasta think of shrimp him a cook. Rasta say me used to them out of his shell, out of his body. Rasta say I'm not shrimp this.
You should have sit there. Foot sit on and sitting there.
A crayfish Rasta.
So if it's Rasta stay and pop off a foot and put it in the
Yeah.
A lie that a sudden turn.
A him papa.
A lie you tell family.
Let me see how you clean him up there. That's why you take out time Rasta. Now you meet that.
Marrow.
So your marrow no good for you.
For you. If you want feet, not a pair done in a can get, take them out of the shell or so.
You know, it favor fiddly. What the thing name when you go up on seaside, then scrape like a shell and sprinkle the sauce thing by that name.
Oh.
With skunk. What name fiddly?
Bozo.
And then a bozo bad man.
Rasta say it name.
Shell and then scrape it up and spray a little pepper sauce on it.
Rasta, what you say it name?
Skunk.
Right.
Yeah, and they clean. Remember what name?
Oysters.
Yeah, ice that's it name. So you're going to even know. But you're just so nervous, you're not concentrate.
Me? No, me not nervous. Horse? Me I do the horse, yeah. You know, say a crayfish we are dealing today, yeah. So me can't have no horse.
Yeah. Crayfish.
Crayfish. Yeah.
So for your boy, you don't eat anything, eh?
Never eat crayfish.
You never eat it, eh?
Just shrimp.
That is a fiddly.
Yeah.
Fiddly, when them here catch eat now, they're not going to change color like shrimp.
Man, get red.
Red.
Mm-hmm.
You ever know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, I get red.
Rasta could have pulled a pot and see them red sitting and I said, but wait. I want to throw in my pot.
They must spoil squidly.
You should have tell him it.
True enough, so I make it surprise him.
Why you make you surprise me? Vlog didn't tell me, so we get red me no. So me go and left it pot.
You want left a pot?
No, no, nothing bad about me, Rasta. Them just going to change color naturally. Man say my red left a pot.
You must forget red Rasta.
Me was a river crayfish here, to be honest, true.
First, I see it.
Yeah, car. Eh? Shrimps. Me take some shrimps them I bring back. Man, I can't some crayfish full of foot and just be a crawl and crawl.
They say I'm not swim away, I crawl away.
Crawl as them and name, brother.
Yeah, for Rasta.
You might have smart foot.
You might like them.
Yeah, man, I like it. Man, I like the flavor of them, man.
There's a crawl that go down in your belly.
Yeah. My belly. I'm killing before you reach out. Man, you can't pass my belly, go crawl.
Crawlers.
Yeah, Rasta, yeah, Rasta before your father. Hey, we just cook this, none of this.
Chicken yourself.
You might eat some of this.
Man, I like it, man.
Man, I love it.
Well, the pepper is nice, isn't it, Rasta?
And then crack all the shell there.
Crack all the shell.
Crack the back shell there and this a flavour you burst in your mouth. Yeah, I love it, Rasta.
Yo.
Crawlers. You know, so that way we're going to name the video. Curry crawlers.
Curry crawlers.
Curry crawlers.
True, man.
crawlers in town.
Crawlers.
Crawlers. God, they are crawlers. Look on them foot there.
Let me see them. Let me see them.
A 40 leg rasta.
Yo, every time when I say about fast leg, we change my mind. Yo, the dude says you're a 40 leg boy, girl. I can't believe.
Tomorrow.
I'm married in them, man. So well, shoot. You know, say the other
No,
one.
boy, you're not for dash right. You have to eat tomorrow, you know. See, like, go there and eat fish head. Crack up everything in the fish head. See you made that for the youth.
Training them everything.
Nothing now, yes.
You know, all this what I do now, yes. The whole light I cook one time.
And funny enough, I probably the most potent part that I meal them. You see me? Have the most to offer to the body, you see me?
You're a unique system. Let me tell you like you can't eat no more. Look, when flour and you can't eat. You're ball out. You start bad. You'll get all foul.
Yeah.
Yeah? That means you're a unique system weak. Yeah, you had a good, maybe this build it up today. I don't know.
The crawlers.
The crawlers them. I see one red. A different one that's like that one.
You see him?
And one different.
And the young one.
I look like one shrimp. Have a shrimp look.
Yeah. But shrimp cousin them still in there, you know? So some of them are
Which
look.
one nice at you fit the crayfish
Alright, I tell you the honest truth, I remember if me eat crayfish from my youth, but as far as me remember, I never had this thing before.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
this here. Ugly still though.
Look on him, I'm zoom up, give him a close up there.
One.
How him out there?
Martel. You know, no go up there when no cut up here.
Some more about now cook you know about next year. What that cook again?
This bar.
You mean like
Beer crawlers.
This bar be a crawler that cook. I want to cook them.
No yo.
You're mad, man. You not cook beer crawlers. You gonna cook beer crawlers, not Rasta. Yeah, that's what I like to carry. So you have to bring them in the company channel. You know, and then like a like a flanky something.
something they eat them say
Eat what? You don't like carrot,
You
cause
don't like no vegetable.
yo people, today Monday morning, on the channel, that I post 2 characters. Now we have the 1, now it's 2, so you got the next one, that goes to 3 and 4, that means it'll grow. Right.
Me don't like vegetable.
Me like them type of vegetable.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't like nothing too green. It eat in my belly. Give me my goat. Yeah. Too
Goat
much-
and a vegetable. I don't know if you're confused.
Goat is,
Goat and a vegetable.
yeah man, goat is my vegetarian. Too much green make you weak and make your unit system gone down. Right. You know, not unit system when you eat too much green.
What is
And
unit?
cabbage.
What are unit system?
Cabbage make you fat. too much.
Unique system.
Your unit system in your
What is
belly.
a unit system?
Your belly, man. You watch yourself. Your belly, your unit. That, you're weak. And you can't eat no food. Your unit
So what
system.
is a unit system?
Your engine now, yo.
That a unit system?
Yeah, your unit system.
Might eat too much greens, Asta.
Yeah, so weak. Not enough goat.
Goat?
Yeah.
That can't have eat to you.
Nah, man. Goat and fish.
Yes, sir. Too much.
Yeah. I see like all the cabbage now. You can trade a amount of cabbage, me eat it. But if I cook cabbage, you know, if you have to call do the name for that, me no want to cook cabbage. Fat up yourself when you're done. You eat cook cabbage.
So now I guess it's a boss man.
Which gas? Me a gas in me? Man. No, cook cabbage. Me eat any amount I trade up.
Vegetable style.
Vegetable that, yeah.
Or
So
when you cook down?
When you cook down, all our feel night gone. We make cabbage. You know, look, you ever see cabbage grow with seed? To be honest, true.
So now see you have a plan to get cabbage.
That have imported seed.
Yes, but when it done grow, you get back no
You
seed
don't
out
get
of
seed, you get back no seed. When I tell you about no cent, cent that's something where you spend. No cent. Dollars are cent. You hear what I mean? Cent. But me not spend no cent now.
Me talk about the ram.
The ram have smell.
The aroma. The aroma. The aroma different.
The freakens.
The free gens.
Yeah, that different.
Yeah, pan the ram. Stronger.
Just, but the
Well,
meat- the meat
listen
is
me
the
now.
same.
Look, alright, she got bend down and pieces, so you can't smell it. And the ram goes and He shoot off. You smell him. You see, if him a come up the road, you smell him. You think, man.
Yeah, another thing off.
What? Them meat they bad.
Yeah.
Because she says that ram.
Yeah.
Not the genuine ram down saying no. Real ram. The genuine ram mash up.
No, I'm good there now, man.
You come back?
Yeah.
Got genuine ram.
Yeah, active on the street again.
I say now, get a crutch.
No, I'm done with the crutch stick now.
No, but I walk it board next.
Right.
No, then some more things drop down upon him. I want get some steel things to go out. That's when the man drop the steel and catch him up.
Yo, yeah, leave Ram alone now. I'm focused on the crawlers.
I'm bridging that man. I want to hear man. I have to big him up. Big up yourself, Ram.
Yeah.
Every time.
Active again. With the panel man tell TV I want something at the early Monday morning.
But all if you found in now, no, no, it's curry. The Ram.
Oh, Ram not dealing curry. Ram say afraid of curry. He no eat goat.
Ram said from 1996 him buy a plate of curry goat. Have him a tear down your whole place.
Whole bathroom in there.
Yeah. Say from that. Done
I
it.
was buying bike in a cook good.
So
I hear me now.
So when I work out at Stone Hill, so a restaurant he was putting out going to be a things lying long for us to go on off a tree.
So
But
see,
he said he used to buy every day.
Yeah.
But that one day there,
mash him
he
up.
mash him up.
But guess what? I see line fine long off and long. So say me say I just go say then land of time to deal with the thing properly.
Yeah.
So you must run your belly.
Yeah.
You have to prepare everything with love
Or
and
maybe there's something is wrong with the ram that day that I'm up there for the curry.
and that too. But generally still,
Yeah.
you cannot prepare for food for smart people. You know?
Alright, now start thinking.
Yeah.
If you go to a restaurant,
Yeah.
I see that line along and the other one on the line. You know you're not going to the other one on the line though.
This one.
The empty one, you're going to say, boy, something must wrong in the restaurant that's still up.
No, man.
Nobody now go there.
Me, I got investigate first.
Did I test it fiddly?
No,
No,
me
sir.
not gonna
Did I
fight.
test it so boy? Can I see the line along and then you won't have nobody?
No, I go there.
Yeah, I'm going to stop.
All right. You got a restaurant now. All right, my restaurant in our Manning Road one time.
Yeah,
And one time, I said to him, when you look over there, look at people.
yeah.
Now you pass, eh? You hardly see nobody over there. The rest of the people in Ghana had our restaurant down so.
Other restaurant a shot more.
Shot more that me say, oh, wanna cook better than one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that you know.
So Rasta back then, you know. When the man the dog for you, I cook the dog.
Me don't know about that one
You
there,
get
no.
none?
I never buy a dog soup.
But you know about it?
Yeah.
You
And
never
me-
buy none of soup?
no, my brother tell me say buy whole heap and drink.
Whole heap of dog meat tonight.
And drink the one with that run tax and the big brother when him Tony. Yeah man, tell me that say, don't you never know.
But Rasta, the people them buy, you know. They say enough meat, then get in this soup, you know.
Boy, them no lucky, they get enough meat. I don't know.
And they say nice.
I never, if you want nice I spice, I can't tell you that. I not drink no dog soup.
But they never know. They think of beef. They
Mm.
think that.
When I them back now them days, they look at the line and that them man are running down half a tree at night time, you see man.
Ram.
See my youth.
Yeah.
But me, then time the two, we are youth, we not licky, we not run down over name no food.
Yeah.
We belly full from we are that
Ah,
show.
they want and cheese.
No man, we see. I sure we got that we buy, we sit in a peanut, be a peanut. Yeah man, and I sure we there now. Every night we have to go a show.
Yeah.
And walk come up back in the night. Well, 3 o'clock, 3:30 we are done.
So when they have on TV, yeah.
TV not involved in that time no man.
Yeah.
Sure.
Not even like a black and white?
Not even bowl and white, how we want to call him. No involved. Tell you. We have to go a
I
show.
have to tell me so. Them time they did nice, I know.
Oh,
When
yeah.
not the effect.
No, yeah man, nice
Feel
I
the way
know.
you feel. But then can nice, I know you know.
Well, I'm telling you, it's nice
I
I know.
never experienced it, so I can't.
No, one
Yeah,
place at
nice.
them time they nice I know. The whole of we could have walked go anywhere. Come back. Listen me now man.
Entertainment.
Then entertainment me I tell you. We not entertain the whole of ourselves when we are come back man. I get joy and run with joke and everything and reach back home safe and so. You can't do that now.
Yeah,
Can't do that now.
yeah.
Oh, you can't do that now you want.
Nowadays, you have to come off a road by a certain
I
hour.
search no while.
You can't do it, said to you, man. Let me stop you. The other Rasta bridge.
Where are going with? Lobster. Swim away.
My son plate and free there, cooking and stuff.
Yeah. What can I put on that?
You know, kind of iron.
So we have to look up my tree to catch
No,
the
yeah,
fire.
breathe, man. Breathe,
Yo, you man catch the fire and man look up in the tree to blow
breathe,
down.
blow,
The
blow out the light.
breeze a blow. The air can breeze a blow.
Yeah, that- I tell you, man, that's coming.
Turn it down, turn on the fire.
You can't tell me how to catch fire.
Yo, you
No.
think that stove here light up in the air?
Yeah, Rasta, what is this? This is a sponge to this thing.
Yeah, this sponge press all fire. See how no
Sponge, I look a high. When you say you fit
I
it,
load.
you high stick.
I'll stick. I load me use, man. I use I'll stick. I load.
High stick, you know. All you need,
Real
a
I
little
load.
oil on the tissue, and you're gone.
You not run a boat, you know. So you can't let me know no guidance. I mean, that see.
Watch out with the salt, huh?
Yeah, watch me this salt.
Yeah.
A 1 pound of bag of salt when you can't come to use. See that?
That don't mean you use it alright.
So that means everything me to use.
Yeah, man, he was it, man.
Salt it going to today. And 1 jug of oil. Now that's all. I want 1 bucket of water.
I like it, man.
You want to try like that?
Yeah.
You watch me now on the platform. Put the butter in and make it go and melt.
It's mad.
Nah, cook.
Yeah, man, that was great.
Ah! Rasta said put the butter in the pot now.
Not time it, sir. So fiddly.
Yeah.
Like it
Cook
blast
something.
up. Like it blast up.
Yeah, okay, that's my job.
Yeah.
When you cook something for you first, fiddly, I say timid and quiet.
No, sir.
You have more jovial, though.
When me
You
I
know
cook
say
something
I-
first, me, I told me always
We always
do me look research them.
Yeah,
So I'll do I first me I cook it.
yeah.
To me been a watch them video you have to cook this or read up. Yeah man.
True, man.
So you want to say,
And cooking is a natural process, naturally, so I just
Ask the people if they feel no, yeah.
I don't know Rasta move so timid.
people, don't you know me I do? This is what I say me no
Yeah,
know me
them
I do.
know where you do, but you know where you do.
You are me know me I do. Chat, you love chat.
Cooking, you know what you do?
Try. Alright, you hear cookies I'm trying.
No, no faith in the one you have to distill the rest of.
Faith?
No,
Or it's partially boy, yeah. It's partially got that. It's half you say, half you got.
Fiddly have faith in him today.
Faith, why? Rasta.
I still can't go and feel like this for the view still.
Him have the right ingredients, so that's why me have faith today. Him have the right ingredients, them, so me have to have faith.
Mike reach, I see what big Mike I tell
Yes,
you.
it's like you're not no faith, Danny.
Yeah.
You soon know if you do.
They say no way for the
Yeah,
Rasta.
you know if you do.
You nah believe.
No, another meal here today.
So yeah, look for. See, they clean, man.
And a fla.
And a fla like you, and take that slap in the head with it.
I only think that you know for do. Talk off your mouth.
You don't think that you know if you do. Active down the camera. You know if you do
Yeah,
that.
so the idea of going to give
Yeah.
Rasta a whole engine.
Yeah, go get busy and then go and go where you go.
As long as I sweet meat, me I cook.
The sweet meat, that can't come round with. Pure meat where you want to cook.
Well-
Can't come.
This I think
Well,
today,
Which part? Down there? I'm going down there yesterday, I'm not see him.
Them in around there cook the sweet meat.
So fiddly if you dare me, I bring a dish down.
What?
Which congy
Well
hole?
stew down and all them bread bean in it.
Come check in grandmother yesterday, me and boom bag. And we not see him.
Put some extra bean in him plate.
Extra bean.
Brad bean, the sweet meat.
Oh God man.
But you think I'm Mr. Bean this?
Oh, sweet meat.
No, I'm not lie, you meat sweet though. Believe.
Alright.
Pork.
Done. Throw some water on that.
Work with the bad man.
Then me there what me want to work. I three we are working together. So me know we are talking now. Three we working together. Dealing what we are dealing now. So you have to throw water to wash on my hand.
Alright.
You sing that them.
Yo.
Sing that. Ginger and I say one ginger thing. Look on the finger there. You must say a ginger.
No man, me no want to see the inside. Show me outside. I
Clean.
Oh, wait.
ginger them.
Ginger they like your hell. Them they get teachment that they're not good cooking. Yeah. There's nothing beat teachment. I did
Nothing beat that?
teachment.
Oh, nothing beat.
Teachment.
All right. One more time.
Oh, yeah, that's Rasta.
Tell them what the word idea again
Allow
from
this
the
for
Rasta.
I would like.
See it? You see it?
See
You
it?
don't want to take my teaching.
Rasta, talk to them now. Nothing beat.
You don't want to take my teaching, fit.
Nothing beats teachment.
My feet are the pot too hot here now.
Jesus, please.
Jesus, please, such a babe.
Mm.
You don't know
Rasta.
nothing
John,
black.
Rasta feel today.
You make it black. Them there.
John, Rasta.
No, no dark.
Watch it. You ever see this head fiddle?
Oh gosh,
Water
man.
run it out in the fire, man.
Well red.
You see that? Oh, that guy's set it on fire, fiddle.
And here and still a fry. Alright, you see?
You don't want to get rid of the Rasta?
Yeah. You see it now the pan is fire look there.
Yeah.
Spot it. One cooking can go in. Because I have going that work. One cooking are going.
So how are you on the boat today?
Like a cookie and Rasta, you know, cookie at
And you are, I see you are turning the pot to like,
Rasta left it when you
see, in dumb up, in stand up, watch out, the man not even put on back the pot on the fire. Rasta burn up the curry and just leg out the pot all together.
But Rasta, for me, did I do that cooking and today still?
And the sauce should have mixed out first. The coconut and everything. You should have make the coconut paste and everybody first. And you should have thrown in that yet. I don't know what kind of madness you do. You not work with the knowledge. Nah, work with the knowledge. Nah, work with the knowledge, Rasta. Jesus, I can't believe it. We did believe, but we nobody believe. Me nobody believe.
Cooking all you do first.
Tell him again. Tell him again, Lemon. Both you cook Carlos.
I like this guy. I want to move. Come here.
Yeah, come on, said, should I tell you that? Both you cook. Both you cook Carlos. Ballers. Boy, people.
One day we decided not to give no training today.
I don't even get to catch a little piece up on the clip show them a while ago. What?
Watch out for you.
People, you have to take out what the callers them. You don't understand this, people.
People, I tell you the truth on the challenge. The boy can't crawl as come give me that first me I deal with them thing. I fry them first and I take them out. So when you don't see them, they're hot and the pan.
Sure cooking, sure turn the camera to Gary input. Turn the camera to Gary.
No, don't
Okay,
turn
now on the
the
camera for that, man. Go on, go catch her. Go on, go catch her. Watch your people. Long water.
In the cold water?
Hi. People, we can't take up it because it's even hot yet. One superpower milk and how much in water. Look for the colors them over here. So. Look for the colors them. Colors them done cook already, you know. And the sauce not even ready yet.
You see you? With a big spoon, eh? You know, you're quiet. I want you dress back. And when you dress back, I want you pie.
That you want to know.
Yeah, just because you feel the colors, you want me jump.
Then what I don't know. One no can't crawl as come from. I don't know, so I first me I go look for.
So why you never tell me say?
But me tell you, say me don't know nothing about crawl as.
Cooking Rasta. And one way cooking go all the way.
No, one
Come
cookie
on,
there.
come on,
And
say.
one cookie there. See how the right
One
place,
way
so.
cooking go.
Me say one cookie there.
Oh, when you're done, you know. When you tap him up, you know.
Yeah, man.
Boy, Rasta.
That's
See it? See, I'll do you know where to do and you don't know where to do.
You sick out to them brain like you're gone today, you know. I bet you if you pick up Aki for a man and put it on different for no crap. I look for Aki for the tree I walk. I bet you tell me that I went to Aki and saltfish, you know.
Jano.
One one is crawlers thing and one, everybody turn red.
Epic fail.
Epic fail. You're lucky say it feel epic fail. Say you try this morning. I know you sweat so. That's what you
I sweat, sir.
That's it now come cry.
A ladybug.
Where you come from?
A ladybug, they say.
Right now, Anna there. And I crayfish them alone a crawl today, you know. Y'all rasta grade a crawl go down. Yeah.
We never have no grade, because we don't have no hill.
The grade just a crawl go downhill.
You know, I get a good score today.
Where? Right now it's about 5.
Uphill with it.
5 there right now, ain't a crawl go down.
You see that spoon here?
At the final,
You see that spoon here? You see that? You see mama's spoon? I go clap in your fire.
That just look good. I wonder if you can come back from the failure.
You think I love spinach?
I think my one small or something like spinach for you.
That's how you shall roll them now.
Yes, you can roll some long to space still. You can roll some long to. Oh, that one, my flat one is a little bit smaller still. For me, we don't be what you want.
Rasta, you think him can eat a dozen of them there, regardless of size?
Be honest, that's what I'm saying.
In Unix system too weak for that.
Rasta, you
Jesus Christ, you know what I want.
But
You know what I want quickly. Look at me, I'll make a little smaller.
Alright.
Yeah,
Okay.
in Unix system too weak for that.
You can eat a dozen today.
No, sir.
But in Unix system.
Unix system weak.
So Rasta, you know if you get that those other
No, you can't eat all 4.
make me put a 5 toast that
You
big.
don't have that to get me. You bet me that I
Oh,
will.
wait, so Michael, let's tell him well and it's nice. Michael, I tell him so make I eat a dozen dumpling today and eat that Joe. Rasta.
Yo, you should be up on this.
Yeah.
Michael, I saw you say one of them, some small ones today.
Some small lads.
Yeah, no, nothing big.
What channel?
What do him to the
You're
fiddle?
splashing with that part.
No, what channel I show you something now.
Yeah.
Them look at dumpling them I make them. I'm not tell you like
One
this.
fella in your mouth.
Big man takes tell you that, brother.
Yeah.
Something like a more than dozen. Yeah, man.
Yes, I played off a full today.
Later have enough up to them. That's not a joke thing this man.
Michael,
Yeah. So Rasta one menu up on the board today.
some crawler.
Crawl away, I don't understand that, brother.
The man bring crawler come, river crawler.
Oh, my vocabulary small.
You're a bucker belly small. You
No,
use
no, yeah, one, yeah.
Let me not tell you what the man bring. Crawler.
Man, I mean,
And the man today said
I
nothing.
still not tell them, I don't know what you're talking
River
about.
crawler. Shrimps.
Huh?
Shrimps.
Let me see.
See? I see.
Michael, man, said the man there, I need the spoiler and the pot of time, man, I'll cook them here first, you know, Michael, I never know, so I'll last time I'll be in a pot.
Right where they look.
No, but based upon
Is
this.
that right where they look? Now?
No, I'll show you something now about this.
You never know nothing about this.
Listen,
You
what the
just
man
have
have to say.
No, man. I know you alone come with ideas, you know. You have other people in the business who have ideas too.
Yeah.
You have to just listen more while. You can't just go ahead and do your own thing.
Let me ask you a question. Your idea where you're coming, and a taxi this way you're driving and cooking. Nothing about cooking. Yeah.
Me?
So what people cook already? Bunny beef and tin mackerel. Alright. You're not doing that cooking like me.
If you don't cook camel pie the right way, I tell you, it hurt your belly.
And have a lumpy.
You get so you make you look like something I understand.
I'm not saying about porridge you talk about. We're not
Because
talking about
I'm
porridge.
specialized.
Alright, it's a porridge specialized. You know nothing about food specialized.
But I like spell food. Whoa. Different set of coolies from the one we have last.
No, you know, I see him lazy one, but 3 breeze are blow.
I see him lazy cool.
Yeah, but 3 breeze are blow. To make them ignite.
Ignite like battery. You hear that? Say, I make them ignite.
Yeah, Rasta. So Rasta,
So I go on
how
and
much
stop
flour
pot.
you cook?
1 pound of flour, Michael. That one you talk to him about.
No, man.
Him a joke,
You have to
Rasta.
do more than that.
No, man. Based upon what I go on.
I know, so you
By the time you go to boom and share out 4 plate.
yeah. No, sure, no say 4 out share. Share your one first, you know, say everything done.
Michael,
1 pound of flour, oh, that makes sense?
Michael, you say no one on today, you say it.
Oh, in go.
You say in go.
And him go then, man. So that means you just have to do this and cut.
I'm the hour.
Yeah, alright. Then do the right thing then. We don't have a problem.
Yeah, well, you
Just prepare it for us.
You know, what I know now? Remember say, they know Miss Jennifer will eat out of this. I do a team this man. I look at rollers the way I make me a king say, boy, come on, man.
Rollers and crawlers.
And here we go on. Me there in the street, I try to make 2 ends meet, right?
Yeah.
And this Mr. Papa, a pound of flour.
So what on you now? You know your company flag and you know there's a pound of flour.
No, I never know, you know.
You never know.
You ask me reach man and tell me.
Alright, but nothing wrong with a pound of flour. You can share for all of us.
You don't get no eating out
You
of
never
this.
tell me not get none.
I tell
Hold on now. You say to me, I chef. Guess what good for me alone?
No.
Smell. Me ingredients man smell.
You what?
Me ingredients smell.
Oh,
Good for
man.
me alone.
Yeah, this is what me talk
No,
about
but
all the time.
My
Yo,
ingredients.
look
smell.
here now.
You cannot get that from me.
Yeah, you see,
That's me doing it.
me talk about this all the time and me I say, listen,
Yeah.
a simple thing, you know, watch out now. You see a vocabulary with all them big words they use, you need to break them up in syllables.
I'm not breaking up nothing.
Listen, huh?
I'm
Listen, how you gonna learn, man? Look here.
I want others to
Michael, you know what's time for a man if you tell him that to listen
Look
to.
here, I'm gonna show you something. Alright. A word like
Yeah, yes.
listen, man. How you gonna learn, man? A word like
I come chat on that part. I come chat.
a word like this. THIS. Yo, you know, say you take time out to say it? Huh?
This.
Yeah.
But my ingredients, I don't take any time. I just tell
You what?
Ingredients, I just tell you what it is.
Come just work it with you, sister.
Yeah,
I'm not fighting
You
them.
can't find over
Ah,
the
you are
one
one.
thing.
You what? When you?
Ingredients.
I fighting them still.
My
Do you-
type of...
Ingredients.
Yeah, I'm not fighting them.
freakins.
How you
Let me
can
ask you a
say?
question. Your unit system ready for to eat this food today?
You what?
Your unit system.
Me what? No, you're not saying.
Another year in.
You said to me, you say it again here. Me, you mean say, what is that?
Your unit system.
If it what? If it what no?
If it's working.
For what? To eat this? To take on this? Come on, my government.
Oh, yeah.
Simple little match,
I'm
Michael.
gonna come out to say all you know.
Alright, old boy.
A Rasta, you see how you as a Rasta man to me, I tell you straight.
Yeah.
Brother, great if you great all the coconut, we're not supposed to
Tell him again, the Michael.
tell them things.
Repeat it again and tell him.
Michael.
You see you
Michael,
as a Rasta.
listen, me now. I agree with you 100%. But these two boys, so they can't come give me. Superpower.
But you as a Rasta should always have a dreadnought in a
Yo.
vehicle.
Yeah, joke. You feel great already. That's what
No,
you
Great
in
talk.
a real life still Rasta, me I tell you this straight out. You see when time we had do this thing,
Yeah.
yo, you know so we are gonna deal with it. You have always have a
Prepare.
dreadnought. Prepare.
Can I have a 4 dreadnought tree over there?
Alright, come like you now use them up over there neither.
So when me use them up.
But man, I same thing where you use just right now it you use over there.
It's alright.
Must alright. You see where I run down.
This me a run up.
Alright, I say.
I run down.
I run down.
See?
Where you think that shot now, Rastafari?
Bigger pot.
A bigger part.
See me as there? Because basically what I know, 2 times you cover this, you know, and this start.
Yeah.
Brother, me I tell you.
And then shrimp never gone in yet.
Oh God, man, I know.
Problem in a Zion.
So water down.
Problem in a Zion.
Oh God, man.
Rasta, you smell the pot burn up.
The pot cannot burn up squid man. The pot is burn up and it have been fluid in there. Watch it.
Whoa!
Wow.
Fluid.
Get.
And this me want to see, man.
See this now?
Yeah.
That's why me I tell you, sir, we need a bigger pot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look good.
Look, yeah.
It smell good too, you know, Mike.
Smells good, man.
The only thing it Rasta still, you see, Mike.
Give them a close up.
You never know. You might do today, you know.
Me tell you, say, everything is fair first. I didn't look about
No, I know you may have to talk to Mike.
No wrong. I see all of the as I said, me never look about this yet.
You never?
Never look about crawler.
You know, say, him as a Rasta, never really do a Rasta meal yet.
Let me have the Rasta. What kind of Rasta meal?
Like
The Ital?
No,
No, not with Ital.
No, man.
It have having salt.
You never. You can't make some sip.
Sip? You must have to have salt. Sip salt.
Me not touch upon it.
Alright, me can make a fish tea sip.
Me
If you
not
want.
talk about that. Me I
Fish
tell you
tea.
like get. What can you know?
Or okra sip.
Yeah,
What do you mean fish tea sip?
You know, boil with okra and everything in
So
that
how
and
would that
pumpkin
become
and...
sip?
I'm not sip, I just fish tea.
A fish tea that
Sip or sip, man.
sip
or
or
sip.
sip different.
Yeah.
Man.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
Turn over. What under this? Oh, the crab.
Oh, the crawlers them. Michael, look on the crawlers them.
So,
Look like 40 legs.
who catch them here? You, Rasta?
Yeah.
I didn't know them catch.
So, hold on there. Based upon what me I say.
Yeah.
I curry them curry.
Yeah.
They put it in a
We put it in our pot before.
And curry and them burn.
Them look like them burn.
You can't turn it down in a
Cover it so it is.
So, look here, you know, Rasta.
Yeah.
Yeah, put them back in my pot.
You know what I'm that?
You gotta mix up everything.
Everything in there. That's
Oh,
it.
yeah, it's only another water bucket and cover him down.
Take a look now, my general.
Alright, man, forward.
One now, like the coolest surprise.
Stop the there, something like that. Smell the pot already.
Alright.
Born survivor, see, you know what I mean?
Oh, boss, say, you're going good, man.
You set a bubble?
Yeah.
Nah, see no trouble.
You have to give thanks to your local teachments where you get though.
Me say, Squidly, everything you have a teacher for it, right?
Yeah.
So there's nothing what I'm doing. I don't feel shy to get teachment. So you can go and chat.
Yeah, Rasta, you see, I'm never said to you now in a real life.
You say, I buy my...
Sometimes you do this now. Anything we know, you just ask question. Cause no man no bigger than man. You see, that's a while ago. The word is not teachment, madman.
Is what? Ingredients.
You come back weird on this. Rasta teach, I teach.
I mean ingredients and me teaching.
You what?
Ingredients.
What that mean? What that mean? Give me the meaning.
All of my flavors what I'm using is my ingredients.
You see?
See? That's what I show you.
You're stubborn, Michael.
Yeah. Michael,
Yeah.
I don't listen to what you want to say now. Turn on the front I am, like I said, 1933.
Crocs, big crocs.
With the
right
big crocs.
Yeah.
But at that time you born? You couldn't born 1933.
In hole then, man.
Whole like foul, you know, so come on foul, let me say run up and
Foul
down.
and tough.
Tough. So you have to put all seven, all old rusty nail in that, then you can't cook.
there. Yes, I saw you used to be 3 years, sir.
I know me, I saw
You ever get it out here?
Yeah.
With the nail in
With
it?
the nail in it. You think I'm joking thing?
I believe that bit.
What the people
Boy,
rush out
can't
the nail
believe.
and put in iPad. I said that's
So what
sharp.
so when I do that? What
That's
do to you?
the sharp in me.
So you think that work?
But I mean, I'm my players in that.
What are the logics? What are the logics behind it?
Yeah,
What are the logics behind it?
Eat it when we get it.
No, what are the logics behind it? How the nail helps soften it? Oh, it help tenderize it.
What tender is it?
Yeah,
now?
While it a bubbling nail, a stab it up in iPad. Must that it a does. Stick it up and tenderize it.
Tough for you now.
I would tell them come and fall tough.
But Rasta, between
Yeah.
honest to
When we are gonna cook one of them there?
The command for-
Yeah.
Well, I tell you, so I use a slingshot and kill 2 over Rasta yard.
And cook that, yeah?
You got two number follow around the one cast.
Hey, me, we need them.
2 who?
All you wicked in a
Yes,
man,
and two.
quickly. Two come and follow over there. And two rooster.
2 number what?
2 rooster. And 2 hen. And you want to come kill them with
I
which
was trying to
snapchat?
take one. I could get one of them.
Holy pot a road I run up and down.
That, me I tell you, if we trouble, you want them a road, we are getting a trouble. One them over your yard.
Where's my yard?
You know I hear one of them there.
Based upon what you say a while ago,
Yeah.
honest to God,
Yeah.
me not really want my food, my meat, I deal with that way that we can rest in here. Because me can't.
Hold on now.
That rust
Listen to me, let me tell you this. Let me tell you this. Hold on. Let me tell you this. You see, Miss Ella, your grandmother, when she gave with the nail in there, you know what I know, you know?
You say,
I want to
he walks off that and don't even know.
You walks off that, you know.
Rasta, what you say? I know say art no leave.
Let me know eat out I too.
Eh?
There's no
You
time
don't
your
try it.
grandmother.
No, sir.
Hold on there.
If me know Martel,
Yeah.
me can't pass my throat. But if you give me a me not know, sir. But
I feel after me know me I go sick.
me I go sick.
What I'm saying, you know, Big Mike.
Cause yo, the mind is a powerful thing, you know.
Jenka people, this is what Rasta talking to Big Mike, you know. You
Yeah.
see when I live over where his brother live now.
Yeah.
When Finn grandmother cook, there's no meal she cook
Yeah.
where she don't have for me, you know. There's a little boy over there. At them time, me bad and he's all cost enough bad with a little boy. You know,
Eh?
You was a disobedient child.
yeah, but you know, everything I touch, man, I lick me, man, I fight, man.
Eh?
Yeah. And I'm cute. Eh? Check on the
He
body.
wasn't a good child. He was a disobedient one.
Nah.
Dennis the menace. Dennis the menace. Yeah, whether you're rude or not, them all say, yo, we can't make you hungry.
Because I never disrespect her, no time. And she said, no, I took this out.
You say last time you had my for the wood?
Fire one.
That one, I can't talk about it, man. We not going nowhere.
A fire
You know,
wood,
say in mine in I gutter.
We are reasoning, man. We say something.
Yeah. In mine in I gutter, man.
now it's got a sea gutter there down the side. I don't know what and I run out of sun now. With the right as I want the pot and cook. Watch it, let me show you something.
So when you put in the crawlers,
We soon put them in.
I'm going to see what I'm going to back in the iPad, Martel.
Yo, when think grandmother alive, man. You see how
Show
the
me an
tire-
iPad.
You see how the tire dumpling them, Michael.
I hug me, see them, give them something there.
Tire, you grow so. Yeah, but you fear one no grow down in a swamp, you grow up at the dry part.
Hog food.
And so she drop one, all two of them put in the kitchen.
But hog food, that's...
Hog food is
what?
what? Listen, when me at the one telling you, I mean, nothing in no
Hold on, no Martel. Hold on, no Martel. Before we go any further, where you thinking get it with? Them time when him a little boy. Cause remember he tell me say when him a little boy he used to consume that something there, you know, the sweet meat, you know. Where you thinking get the tire food with? Anything them provide, him have to eat.
This look good, you can put in the crawlers.
I mean, what me back man Rasta?
You know where you get with that
Jesus.
chicken back.
This is your cook.
Sure, you know, you got chat about pretty.
It's not pretty.
That's something.
Remember when you nearly feel you all run?
Pretty.
Pretty as something bad.
Go you call as them bun up, man.
I curry, man. No. I curry. That's the,
You have to go dip them, throw some sauce on them, man. You see me? Throw some sauce on them and to use, wash them off and sink them. Just wash them off, man. From start bubble, just throw it on them, yeah. Just see some in the Rasta, right thing me I tell you. Just throw your water upon them.
That's sick, man.
Yeah, sink it.
Yeah, but you sink them around there, sir.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's too good, Rasta.
Whoa.
Taste the gravy.
How what teach him?
Little, that's too much.
How what teach him?
Alright, he's up.
Don't tell him nothing, you know.
Want to see where this make up
Fresh.
No, see him have a season when forget for use.
Michael tell you what going on.
Mike,
Follow me for last year.
this up on what's going on?
On this when me taste,
I take the pepper.
it want little more body.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You come on what?
body.
Wow, flavor. It's too
Yeah,
flat.
man. Right there, sir.
Okay.
Too flat.
Yeah, flat. You pepper?
Yeah.
Then we can go over there, go pick one of them.
No man, where I start tell him say. Remember we and the community live good, you know, man.
What do you mean? Yeah, man, that's a code. Alright.
Rasta, first me see Rasta testing you own a meal. He always give somebody else it to test. Me hear what he must say. Remember my man test already, you know?
Yeah, but the different flavor we get now. I'm telling you why I want a little bit of salt. Just a little bit.
Rasta me not like the whole heap of salt.
Yeah, we agree, but
So how it tastes, Mike? It on point?
Eh?
10 point?
It come up a little bit more.
Alright.
But it not need no whole heap.
Oh Michael, they
Me
are
need a
look.
pepper. Me need
Oh,
a
that.
pepper.
Him could have put even half more there, that coconut milk in it, with that little coconut sauce there.
Yeah, him could have do that, yes? Bring up the coconut flavor. No, you don't need more water. Michael. Yeah, they are look on you through the third eye. Like how you sharp up and thing, man. Well groomed. Shave.
That is it.
God, like you have a date later.
You know the type of work what I do.
Have to properly groom all the time. Yeah, but you look like you have a date later, see what you do, man.
Right.
Man, I just get up and put on desert clocks up on a regular day.
Oh my God.
Oh God, man. See that watch this on here and I'm Sibago, you know, in tough. I can't work him, I go Sibago, diamond socks.
Wait, name fits.
Sibago, that's the shoes name, man. Them used to wear when I go school and Reebok, you know. When we reaching a grade 10, Sibago was the popular shoes, the in shoes them time there. Sibago, yeah.
Yeah, I line up the thing, you know.
Yeah, flavor, man, now.
Flavor in my plan now, you know.
Remember, fitness are a negative 2 out to get today.
Boy, me I tell you, say him a work hard for bring it up right now. It look like in the back I want +5. Me nah go around him. I'm +5, yeah.
And you know.
Me no test no flavor yet or nothing. That I just based upon looks.
Yeah.
So when me test it, me'll know if, yeah.
You say if I look alone in gone.
Yeah, man, him through the gate.
But to me, if it's just the spice level one, top up.
Alright. So, me not just see you bring one scotch man and come give him.
I wash with pepper and put it in.
Okay.
What you say, man?
Seafood for spicy. Curry overall, if you have spice. Them not know that, man.
Yo, don't cut out the pepper, man.
I'll go on, peeps.
Pepper for the boss tonight, man.
Ah, you hear that? What Rasta? You're not afraid of pepper again?
Yeah, man, I right way,
And
man.
when you finish now, you know, wash off your hand. Because you
No, man, when him finishing can go and go urinate, man.
What?
When him finishing can go and go, you know?
No.
I mean, he's a man about your split, you know.
Yeah,
Mike,
Rasta.
Big Mike. Me not touch certain
Come,
things.
come, don't
Yeah,
waste
take
that.
yeah, take your
Don't
time.
waste that, you know.
Yeah, please.
And when I feel like say that, that's right, you know.
Take his tea, you know? Yes. Yes, Rasta.
Something a burn, man.
Right.
I like when we touch we run off.
Oh, okay.
All right, watch it now. You can cover down the fat now.
Rasta ball out, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, lick. Yeah, lick.
I taste the
You.
pepper now coming up rising up.
You.
Are you ready?
Yeah, lick.
Me no lick.
That's how you just do it
Yes.
like
Lick it out and miggle them, man.
You say me a lick, but I taste me a taste. Eh?
Taste.
From a-
Oh, let's see.
When you have the sauce, I lick the sauce. Oh, you lick. Oh, God. Show me your lick.
I'll show you, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, this is not farmer licking thing. I'll show you.
I blow a while ago. That's a lick.
That our taste?
I taste
That can't taste nothing, a lick a lick. See lick ya? When you lick you go, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yesterday, so we go on we step up on the little things that added to it.
Yeah.
Nah,
You
like,
say,
man.
come up now.
Flavor and pint.
The pepper.
Gone through the gate now. Alright.
Can't, you know, don't need them, just
No, more understand I walk.
All right,
Like
watch it.
green one. Green one and butter.
I'm gonna tell you, like, base up on this right now, I'm gonna tell you, man. Yo,
Clean up as we go, you know,
yeah,
Rasta?
it's gone on the road now. Fire. You
Gone.
don't need, you want to line up the plate, them.
No.
They say ready.
I mean, a crowd for my thing in idea.
I want to the prayer today. I argue we already prayer when you're ready.
Yeah, man.
Me, I do the prayer thing there today, you know. Somebody else can do the prayer, but... Well, everybody has to go Sunday school, huh?
True.
Eh?
We can give them a word of prayer.
Everybody there.
Dodo can give them a word of prayer too.
As well, yeah.
Martel, anyone away.
One tier.
All of we go Sunday school.
Long thing, you know, brother. You know, in the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth.
Oh.
You remember that?
Who never know, them just know.
Which verse are the shortest verse in the Bible? Rasta?
Bible quiz today.
Now ask you.
Me no know.
Look like a doodle wept.
You don't know?
Doodle wept, him no know.
Listen.
The shortest one is what?
Jesus wept.
Doodle wept, him no know what going.
Jesus sit.
The-
You know what, something where you never like?
Yeah.
And you must always remember to say this to your look at that granddaughter over there. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have eternal life.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, we're done.
Alright,
Let's up
Michael,
Almighty.
you
One
just
love.
teach Doodle something because you never know that, you know.
No, me
know
never
that.
know.
You don't know that.
Because,
I
yo,
let me know. Let that you.
yo, these are simple little things that you need to know. You don't take no leave.
You take one leave.
If you say that yourself,
See you just a time.
all right, look here. Me just remember this. And I can say it to my little brother them, my friend, watch it. Simple. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus,
Alright.
Numbers.
Listen how the Bible go
Deuteronomy,
in order.
Joshua,
The verse.
Judges, Ruth, 1st and 2nd Samuel, 1st and 2nd King, 1st and 2nd Chronicle, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastic, Songs of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentation, Ezekiel. Rasta, you want to go home and study this and come back.
That's what they want. Not study nothing.
So, Michael, how you say it? You say like you don't know it if you can't, if you don't sing it as a song, it sound like you don't know it though. But me like the fact that you know it.
Oh, thank you very much.
Me like the fact that you know it. You say Dodo now?
Me don't know it.
And him, come like him don't want to learn.
You don't want to learn.
And you know what I learn.
You don't want to learn.
Because through me a cook, you know what I learn when me a cook. Cook me a cook.
You don't want to learn, Dodo.
I don't like that.
Michael, what's the 13th chapter in the Bible?
Managa.
I'm not pressure you. You don't win.
Lie to you, but I
done
don't
win.
know it like that.
Alright.
I'm
You
not
done win.
gonna lie to you.
You done win already.
I done, yeah.
Dodo, nah learn. Dodo, nah learn.
Me don't know nothing about Bible. I tell you. That means not a Bible, man.
You're not learning.
Me not learning. What you learning more than me? And cooking me I learn about. I new cooking me the pan today. When then call it new cooking the crawl away from the river. What I'm saying?
More, you open me pot and show me what I go on still, you know. Please and thanks. Just open me pot and show me what I go on one last time. How you look, Martel?
Well, look. Look like this one again on my plate here now.
Right now.
I take off it.
Up on the one there with the look like one
Yeah,
crab.
you see this one when I'm black and full of the trash here. Rasta up. No, none of this.
This look like 40 leg.
Don't want none say they are change up my crawl. Oil up now.
Red, no red which one and turn red all of them.
See, that is the crawler now.
That is the crawler. I've never tasted it before.
Yeah.
To be honest true.
Yeah.
Not tell no lie.
Yeah.
I never look about nothing like this.
First then.
You see the first, you look at the bigger one there.
Crayfish.
Big
Yeah,
lobster.
Lobster.
Yeah.
But you know you have some crayfish that get big like lobster too. But a river
Yeah, you have bigger ones still in a Rasta. Them same crawler, yeah? You have big crawler too, you know.
Big one like
Yeah,
them,
big one.
Like a lobster, man.
Yeah, man, you have big crawler too.
Before I buy this, and he call me and say, I have some crayfish to sell me. Me think say big one them, and so come here, sorry, come in with them.
Oh, you mean?
But when me look at the little crawler
A
them.
little crawler there. I watch me now people gonna take out the crawler pot out the fry.
Rasta, nobody make what happen with the curry chicken pot happen today, you know.
Like what? Flip it?
You know remember what go on?
What? You want me to flip it today?
Make Martel take off your pot, please.
Keep ya?
What if more you flip it?
Now watch it now. Listen,
Yeah.
listen. Now I make you hear it. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is very look like it can go on the beach and we just sit down having a 2 cold beer and relax. And just eat it.
That is it.
Nothing more. Just 2 cold beer
And some crawler.
and some crawler.
Big crawler.
Big crawler. Yeah, we have to try some big one. I try first this.
Yeah.
To be honest, truth. Me not tell a lie, people. See there? Look at it. At the first, so me now go say, me know about it.
Go on, good man. Presentation wise, right now, me give you a 10. You see me?
Alright,
I flavor it boil down to you now.
Right
though.
down
So
to
me I
the
test it you now and make you know.
Wow, boy.
Yeah.
Fish
So
cry.
stay tuned.
Up and run by the channel. One more tell people. Do I say that. Straight by the Monday morning. So, see there? And the crawler will make sure look. You say? And the river fish this. They call it the river fish.
Yeah, crayfish,
They
you
call
know?
it crayfish.
River crawler.
River crawler, me call them. But so man, you only system already. Look at say you want man say guys a dozen flower. The man will say you only system. You ready?
Alright, so you see the man was saying can eat those. We are giving 3 and test him
I
today.
test him first. That's what I got. I will give him one way
If he
there.
mash up a 3, we give him 9 more.
We give him one way there.
And him buzz.
And him bust. That's him cut up him in a fine piece and feed it to the fowl. And now he want to kill my 2 cow fowl over me yard and we eat them. Why?
That's why him feed them.
That's why I feed them. Okay, I've never seen this trick, my quickly. You the behind I know what I go on and I tell me to, you know.
Then I tell you
I
no.
know we just tell me no.
Funny nervous look.
Yeah man, you see the smile there, all the smile nervous.
Right up to this, I know.
Nervous smile.
You know. You see, last time I look nervous when I come here for me, I look more food go, no?
Today, I
Today,
first visit.
all you.
That's the ones when they throw in the curry and I put I start burn up.
Well, hear me now.
And them
Me
tell
no
everything nervous.
Me not nervous, not at all. Me have the thing, you know.
But you're hiring.
No. Guess what now? Everything we are going to do,
Yeah.
must be at first. And you can't nervous.
True.
If you're nervous,
You're going to
you
spoil
can go
it.
spoil. So you have to just have the faith, say, I say, boy, this not
And just
spoil.
know, say, yo,
And
yeah,
just say,
prepare it with love and I eat that.
Treat love me, I deal with it always. I'm tell the people them that's why. Me not do nothing if me not like it.
Yeah.
If me never like it, me no come deal with it. Just like come deal with the carpenter work and the tiler, anyone that steal work, anything will not give me. If me not have love for it, me not touch it. Cause Just like how I have love for myself, or I go do it, I know say boy, I'm confident say, and some want it to myself, and some I go do it.
Presidential speech.
Oh God, man.
I'm mad and running up and thing for the man Martel TV channel this morning. My fault already, the plate already.
Oh God, man.
You are now. It's right now. Listen now. Strictly. It's right now.
Yeah.
Rasta no business with crowd. Three away from the Martel TV. I will bring in Big Mike up on the thing.
Michael said, don't burst him, so I have to just be right.
No man.
Give him fee, man. Wola.
Give him fee more.
If I two side, I forget my one, now you put my two side. You agree with me, Mike?
Give him a spinners and some crawler.
Yo, if you not put no crawler and I do the one, nothing wrong.
No, man, you have to.
Yeah, you have to test the crawler, so you are going to know if you like it.
Come on, don't do that. Yo, you have to drink some water too.
This look good.
And the
No,
water.
man, go look for it for real.
Yeah, man, I'm forward.
Thing mad, man.
Oh, yo, that's some pretty 40 leg them, man.
Yo, no matter start them thing, them put on 20, you know, when I go to 40, I crawler from the river.
They look good, man.
You look good, sir. You see this? Look great.
Base up on home, see how go on.
Alright, you see this?
Yeah.
This look presentable.
I'm at the pot. I'm not more your review first.
Me?
Before I share something.
Me? Nah lie.
Yes,
up on what we do?
Go on. Hold on. Take back those over there, man. You're not asking a prayer today for real.
Our Father.
Our Father,
What in heaven, all the way be thy kingdom.
thank you for this meal that we're about to eat.
You remember that bust my plate now?
And, you know, bless it. In your name I pray.
In the name of Jesus.
You like a prayer that fits?
It's a prayer nonetheless, so you know, we are work with it, man. We bless it.
Time must bless the food before I eat it. So
But in Jesus' name, though, you know?
Jesus' name.
Yeah. Amen.
Amen.
So what's going on now, Michael?
Oh my God.
You can taste your
This is the first time I eat something like this, and I'm not lying. You get more than a 10 from me.
I really like that, man.
Can't believe it.
No, man. Yeah, watch out now.
No, like I have no
Test the
camera.
crawler.
No,
I just
like I have
Irish
no
alone.
camera.
You know why Michael has said 10? True, I Irish him a test so far, you know.
Bless the flower.
So it's half and a melt in my mouth.
No,
Test everything first.
you like, if you can't man, come here, Mike. Big Mike, don't move.
Knock him back.
Get What's wrong with that? Knocking my brother back. Calm down.
Bring a water, bring a water.
No, I don't need no water.
I don't need no water.
No man, don't need no water. I pepper touch you. Me know that.
Test the crawler now, Michael.
Pepper touch him, man. Pepper touch him.
Michael, test the crawler. I'm good.
Crawl, let me test the man.
Everything you have to. There's a floor here. There's a floor now. Can I bite the floor now, bad man?
Man, do it, man.
Yeah. For my thing, Rasta, now I'm going to tell you a lie.
Yeah.
More than 10 me give. They get 100 for me.
Hey, crawler.
Crawler,
Gone, I see.
gone.
You see intense crawler?
Boy, me never
Yeah, I
see
did
it.
it.
Me never see it.
Gone.
Gone, man.
You want to hear one now? Carry teen go do a. I just say after this, carry to carry teen.
Mad.
Good, man.
100.
Good. 100 in get.
Alright then, Michael. Big up.
Come, go.
No, we not getting up there. We not getting up there.
Michael alone
No,
grade this
listen,
so far,
Michael
man.
always get the right review, but for him, a wicked man. You know what I'm saying? The wicked man. My boss, you know, you see wicked man, always try to put your dunk on, you want you to go up on top all the while. You want you to come perfect, so you nah get the right score on the Magiel. You Magiel.
I wrong part is going to still.
Wrong part. We not doing no parts, yeah.
I make it up still.
Rasta go test the crawler, you
Now
know.
come close to the camera and I show you can see. See? So I flower first. No, I don't lie. Beef first. Let the call as well say. And my call say, God.
So I call that you just test?
No, piece of flour.
No man, I call who want you test man.
That test one now.
You don't know the crawler taste yet. You don't know what kind of review him give Matt?
I call them now and test the crawler now.
Yeah, remember that are the new ingredient, the new meat kind we never test, you know, so.
Man, them have to. I can't work so.
Martin! Rasta teeth can't cut the crawler. Martin! No, Rasta teeth can't cut the crawler.
Come.
I don't know.
We keep them last.
Rasta said this can't work, so.
Can't work so.
Rasta, bite this up now and stop the plane.
No, put on that. Before me ask you, can't go out.
What it tastes like? Shrimp?
Shrimps.
Oh.
And the pepper.
Hacked
You
it.
say better
No.
than when you cook the all in on the
The
last
pepper
time.
right in everything. You
Yeah.
take pepper in it, you take pepper in a pumpkin, you take the pepper in a the
Irish.
Irish.
Flavor and pint.
The pepper the pan pine. And the pepper, the last pepper I say, Martel go low. I right pepper and bring in the flavor. Add it up.
So how much you give yourself?
Well, I'm a chef, you know, and don't know to me a top chef, you know. Up there.
100?
Yeah, man, pass
All right.
around
Yes, yeah, top chef.
Oh God, man.
I pumpkin this. Mark, quickly, the pumpkin just melt away in my mouth. And then by the gusso, and then feel it gone, disappear. That's your right.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
No.
That the grade work over, you know. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much would I give?
8.
8 out of 10. Alright then.
Nice.
I want the reason for the 2 minus. Yeah, so I say wait shorter for the 2. What would I make you add on the 2? That me ask you.
You have to get the minus 2. I share us still 12. I get some more night.
Oh, that's what I think of 2 to it's small. Yeah, I hear that, Martin.
It's small.
I really 10 rasta get, but just treat small. The man I say, yo, you take off 2.
A 10 cookie?
10 rasta. Hear that? Rasta? No, boss. 10. Yeah, here.
Man, ask you how much you
10
give,
across
you
the board.
Him not pay me no mind, no brother. Low me them thing.
Talk to me now, Mr. Campbell.
no?
On a scale of 1 to 10.
Only one more.
I'm more time.
Yeah.
One pot the rest him cook with pumpkin and Irish and dumpling.
Talk up bad man.
You
You're
cook
more
the
than
rice.
your vice for.
We don't use all
Yeah.
rice in I think.
When you saw pumpkin and rice.
Talk to me, Popcorn. Me I hear
Be
you.
quiet no man.
Me I hear you.
Start no man. It'll go on for real. Scale of 1 to 10. Taste up. I give him a 9.
Alright then.
Yeah man.
Can't complain.
It can be all a 9 and a half.
Can't complain.
Yeah.
When you get 9, you know.
Now go to the-
Hear that, Rasta? When you get 9, you know, you cross the finish line, you know. 9, 10, same difference. A winner is a winner, man. Just more, it's shorter. Nothing more. Hear that, Rasta? Praise is right across the board.
Boy, what?
Nothing more, but more. Oh God, Rasta. Kentucky chicken. Finger licking good.
No Kentucky bad like this. Kentucky walk our space.
Yes, I 2 pounds shall get.
And then you just flat and next.
Yeah.
Alright,
Yes, I
Martel.
want him now.
Yes, up and I go and tell more go on the Martel.
Tell you for this now.
Yeah.
A 2 time eat, you know, man.
2 times 8. John, oh boy.
Oh, it's a proper eater.
So we're going now for this. Yeah, Rasta.
You cook it, eh? You want more on the line. You want more.
Rasta. Right. You see from your cook till now? I have best meal is a cook, you know. I don't feel, I know some man. So you see today, I give a 9. I best meal is in cook.
Yeah,
The heap of help you get, I can't give one
yeah,
10.
wickedest thing on the line.
Fiddly, the amount of help you get, I can't give one 10.
For say, you have to share up the rest of
What
one
you mean?
to the
You help
individual
me,
people that may
yeah,
help
but-
him.
Yeah, man, but it go on good.
Just
The
just
best meal is
one
a
come
cook,
off, just see help you get. And a whole heap of help.
Don't tell us everything
But
you
my
do.
best meal is a cook.
It's with the first. Anything you think you do.
Te teachment of unite.
My best one this one. Don't cook it.
So all the
My best
past
meal is man.
no more gravy thing than
Yeah,
that.
man, whole heap of sauce
Yeah,
there,
give me
Michael.
Alright.
Oh, no know if you want no sauce. I sauce boss this, you know, man.
Fiddly, just give me a camera and come tell him how you feel about this.
Alright. Oh, check out his sauce boss.
Squidly.
You know, say the pot really bad for you, see. Not even the sauce are waste.
Yeah, man, it's bad. Yeah, come down good.
I crawl and I test us, because remember me tell you, I don't remember if I have this when I was youth, but I don't remember eating this. Boy?
This?
Hold on, I'll get back to you, Fiddly, because you're not ready yet. Michael, where's the God?
You see this?
Yeah,
Mr. Soup Boil boy, yeah, you see?
yeah,
I've never so thick so yet. You see this?
yeah.
Have flavor. I mean, I tell you, yo, the only thing this shorter. More.
Come here then,
more.
and take up one of them if you want more.
Right now,
Yes, sir.
we can't take one.
No, not you, not you. Leave.
We can't get a float of one of them.
No, no,
Why am I
no,
that chef?
no.
Look what me have on my plate.
Ah,
Me need something more.
nothing.
Can me get me shot today.
Fiddly, hold on, I'll get back to you now. Hold on. Where you going now, Fids?
Yeah, man, the flavor on point, man. I test the pumpkin. I just test the crawler. Tastes like shrimp, but you just have too much shell for my purpose, you see me?
Today not big.
No more of this.
Yes, sir, full of too much.
But the flavor wise though, everything on point. I give him a solid 10 out of 10. I tell you the truth.
Why? With all of the help?
Yeah.
Solid.
The teachment of unite as him tell you.
You take it, I forgot if you never got school or
Hold
you
on,
learn.
Rasta, come out of my face, now, man.
You see all you?
master
Come on,
nothing by
tell me
yourself,
yourself.
you see me?
Oh,
So,
if you never got school or you learn.
Come out of my face, me say,
Me
man.
na your face, all this na your face. Peter, my plate.
I'll
Watch
try. Oh, yeah, drink, Michael.
Watch out now. Yeah.
Yes, sir, Fids. Solid 10.
Yeah.
5 plus 5, man. Yeah, but
Like pack,
10 out of 10 today.
Watch your long ass.
I sauce me down for. See the people? Sauce thick like ready.
So, Rasta. Next one now again.
Lobster. Big on this one.
Yes, you like the cockroach meal, man?
No, no, cockroach this. Oh, you know him a cock.
Yeah?
Oh, you
I
know
never tell you that.
oh, you know him a cock.
You can't
What
never
that
tell you that.
oh, you know say Mr. Cock, we can't tell
My G.
him.
Yeah, man.
We can't never
Watch your
take a
Rasta.
dumpling from.
Man, I catch you for your next epic. Oh.
Yeah, them a catch you on the next
We can't never
episode.
take a dumpling from.
Anyone you feel like, man?
Alright, no problem. That's good.
So which one me can get a flour from?
You said one of Michael Lane.
No, no more flour than that.
You know?
You can't take your whole plate for yourself. You take this. Good to go.
Alright.
This requires